What's up, good people? Today we're gonna try something different. So this is a mechanical keyboard which I modded highly. These are Echo Chili Purples and these are One Red. They suck. And this is a typical your membrane keyboard and they suck more. So what I'm gonna do today is show you what's the difference between a mechanical custom keyboard and your daily old school membrane keyboard. Let's go with the sound first. And prepare for doom. This makes me angry. So smooth. So let's see what's under a membrane keyboard, if I'm able to pull up this. These are the typical membrane keyboard keycaps. There are not much to it, but here's the membrane thingy, which works when I press it. My finger won't go in. So, yep. This is between all our frustration. Go in, will you? And let's see what's inside a mechanical keyboard. So these are our mechanical keyboard switches. This is the one red one, which is not that much good. Let's pull something good out. Oh, that was smooth. Watch this. I don't even have to pull. They just come right off. This is the one old. Sorry, this is the Echo Chili Purple. They're pre-looped from factory. And this is the one red. Not much sound. It feels smooth. And by the way, these are tactile switches, so they have a 3-layer press technique. I can feel 3 spots. They're like a G spot and whatever the other 2 spots is, but this feels good. So what's the difference between a membrane keyboard? The difference is inside. So inside a membrane keyboard there is a layer of foldable PCB type sheet, and inside a mechanical keyboard these are hot swappable, so there is an actual PCB like a circuit or something. So what makes them sound different? Membrane are full of rubber, so there's nothing much to it, but these bad boys are a perfect example of sexy engineering. They sound very good. Let's do a sound test of this baby first, then we'll compare them both.